Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I will be doing my September Facetory unboxing and my August Facetory review. If you're new to my channel, Facetory is a Korean sheet mask subscription service where you can get 4 or 7 masks sent to you every month. I do pay for this subscription myself. I get the Forever Fresh, which is 4 masks sent to you every month for just under $10 a month, I believe. But I did prepay for the year and save a little bit, and the 7 masks, I believe, is just under 20 bucks a month. So let's get into my favorite part, which is unbagging the new one. This is September's Forever Fresh. I have been waiting for this. They do include a fun postcard every month, so this month is fall themed and it says "Falling for You." It's adorable. I love it. Then they have the information card with the mask, the prices, and information on how to apply the mask, plus a discount off their 7 Lux plan. Fresh 2 Lux will get you 20% off 7 Lux. So it looks like this month is all about fall. It says September marks the arrival of the cozy season, and we wanted to help prepare your skin for the dry months ahead. In this month's Forever Fresh kit, you'd find sheet masks that are aimed at calming, providing hydration, and adding moisture. Get ready to fall in love with your best skin yet. And the first mask is the Facetory Everyday Acai, is that how you say it? Rejuvenating mask. It retails for $3.50, and it has acai fruit extract, which is an antioxidant rich ingredient that aids in moisturizing and soothing, and purslane extract, which is packed with vitamins and antioxidants to restore and protect your skin. Unfortunately, I will be unable to test this mask because one of the top 10 ingredients out of the long list is aloe, which is a big irritant for me, so I will be saving this one for a future giveaway. Next we have the Look at Me Watermelon Face Mask. It retails for $3.50 and has watermelon fruit extract, which helps the skin stay hydrated and supple while brightening and fading dark spots, and lavender flower water, which is calming and minimizes redness and irritation while healing and evening out the skin. I'm excited because I love watermelon skincare products. My skin really seems to like watermelon, and the only irritant that this seems to have in it for me is fragrance, and in sheet masks usually it's never been intense enough that the fragrance has irritated my skin, so I'm really excited to try this one. The third mask is the Jaunt Blanc Kika Essential Sheet Mask. It retails for $2.50 and has Centella Asiatica extract, which calms irritation, speeds up healing, and evens out the complexion, and Camellia sinensis leaf extract, which is soothing, minimizes inflammation and redness while providing anti-aging and skin renewing. This is another one with aloe high up on the ingredients list, so unfortunately for me, I will be saving this one for a future giveaway. Lastly, we have the Orgena Essential Vitamin Mask Nutrition. It retails for $3 and has niacinamide, which works to even out the skin, minimize fine lines, brighten, hydrate, and strengthen, and sodium ascorbyl phosphate, a stable form of vitamin C, which will brighten and is a powerful antioxidant. This one sounds amazing, and I love niacinamide, and I'm really excited that it doesn't, at a quick glance, seem to have any of my no-no ingredients, so I get to try it. Yay! So for the month of September, I can try 50%, so I will test these and come back next month and let you know how they went, and then next month there will also be a giveaway with these masks in it for you guys. Let's get to reviewing August. If you recall, for the month of August, I was able to test 2 out of the 4 masks. So the first mask I was able to do was the Look at Me Sweet Honey Bear Smoothing and Nourishing Mask. It Has honey and sunflower seed oil, which soothes and nourishes the skin and leaves you feeling as soft as velvet. This one left me very red and irritated, and I feel like I even got some breakouts that are still healing from trying this one. I do not like or recommend this one at all. The next one I was able to test was the Balloon Blanc Therapy Egg White Sheet Mask. It retails for $2.50 and has albumin extract and Hutiana cordata extract to smooth skin and has helped diminish large pores and gives a glow from within look. I did notice this one slightly reduced my pores, but my skin again was, oh my god, there, cat. Do you see that? It's gonna burn itself on the candle. That's one of the smartest cats in the house. I'm just kidding. Poor Tutu. She's not very smart, as you can see by going after the candle. Anyway, yeah, this one also left me red and irritated, so these were both a no for me. And then I am saving the other two masks for the month for the giveaway. And overall, I would say that August was not worth it for me because it made my skin worse. The mask that I was able to try, and I was only able to try 50% of the mask. So let's get into what I am giving away this month so that you guys can help me test out my Facetory masks. I am giving away two of the masks from August. The Candy O Lady Mellow Cotton Candy Mask and the Facetory Everyday Pearl Brightening Mask. And then I threw in a couple skincare goodies that I had laying around to go with that. A mini, so it's a 10 milliliter size, Ren Clean Skincare Clean Screen Mineral SPF 30. So it is a mini sunscreen for you guys. And I've heard good things about this brand. I just really don't need a mattifying sunscreen. And then there is a Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse sample and a Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream sample, and then a free pair of earrings from Earfleek if you are interested in like earrings. There's a free pair for you. So that is everything you can win from this month's Facetory giveaway. And I'll have the rules listed down below. Basically, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and be in the US, because I'm broke right now as far as international shipping. Have you looked into that? That shit's expensive. I looked into shipping a t-shirt to Canada. Just shipping a t-shirt to Canada was $80. No, I don't have that. Sorry to be dramatic, but it's crazy. And so US mailing address, 18 or older, have your parents' permission, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below with what your subscription service that you're either most excited about or most want to try, or your favorite subscription service. Just tell me what subscription you love. Like, I love BoxyCharm, I love Ipsy, whatever. Just so you guys know, it is 12:30 in the night. That's why I'm being real weird. I'm real sorry about that. I know I'm being weird. I am. But it happens, and I should probably go to bed. But I wanted to get this recorded for you guys because I know you want this. You want your masks. I want my masks. Now there's a cat playing with my shoe. anyway, good luck to everybody who enters the giveaway, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already. Love you. Bye.